The first video on Roblox Studios channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a flashing light in Roblox. So straight away you just want to get a part. Maybe play some music quickly. Hopefully this is not loud. So then you just wanna, you can copy these settings if you want. That's the colour I'm using. This one here, and then I'm using this one here. So yeah, and then after that you want to go down here, insert objects, point light, and then go to point lights, insert object, script. The script will be in the description, but let me go get it. I am back with the script. So this is the script you're going to be needing. However, you can change these little ones here to like whatever number you want. So I might change this one to 21 milliseconds. I think these are, and then these are seconds. I think. So then you can just change these up to whatever you want really. I don't like them being too fast really. I do like one. Sometimes there being maybe a big kind of wait for it. So let's test it out, I guess. So if you're making like a horror game, this would be brilliant for it. But it actually works quite nice. It adds that kind of spooky effect. I made this one here, but it's a bit quicker than that one. And you could use these for like, like a vibe street game or something like that I made. You can do like a flashing like kind of lamppost or something. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. See you guys next one. Peace out, bye.